Assalamu alaikum and very good morning, my dear students. I welcome you all in another lesson of Google Classroom, and I hope that you have enjoyed winter break and you all are fine and doing well. And I really hope that you are taking very good care of yourself and your family as well. My dear students, in our previous lessons, we have discussed about climate change, causes of climate change, and what can we do to help stop climate change individually. In our today's lesson, we are going to read textbook pages 45, 46, and 47. Topic is, what can Pakistan do to help stop climate change? Students, prior knowledge is that you have already read in previous lessons. Do you think wind and water are sources of energy? I hope that you know the answer of this question. There are many sources of energy. Wind and water are also types of energy sources. These are learning objectives of today's lesson. At the end of the lesson, students, you should be able to relate how Pakistan and other countries are trying to reduce global warming. You should be able to identify and describe renewable energy sources that are being used in Pakistan. Let's discuss the main points of today's topic. Many countries all over the world are trying to find ways to stop climate change. One way of stopping climate change is to use renewable energy resources rather than coal, oil, or gas. Renewable energy resources are ones that will not run out, such as wind, sun, and water. Pakistan has long hours of sunshine, so it is ideal for solar power. Hydro. Hydro means water. Hydroelectricity would be developed in northern Pakistan that has many water resources. Solar panels on houses and street lights are already in use. The coastal areas of Sindh and Balochistan and desert areas of Sindh and Punjab are very windy and would be perfect for wind turbines. Dung of plants and animals can be used to make a clean gas called biogas that can be used for cooking and heating. Students, you know that many countries all over the world are trying to find ways to stop climate change. One way of doing this is to use renewable energy resources rather than fossil fuels that are coal, oil, and gas. Renewable energy resources are ones that will not run out, such as wind, sun, and water, etc. Students, you know that Pakistan produces energy using different energy resources. 52% natural gas is used to make electricity in Pakistan. 30% oil is used. 11% hydro means water is used. 6% coal and only 1% nuclear energy is used to make electricity in Pakistan nowadays. Here are some renewable energy resources that are used in Pakistan. Solar power using sunlight. Pakistan has long hours of sunshine, especially in Sindh and Balochistan provinces. So it is ideal for solar power. Solar power is very useful in villages that are a long way from city electricity supplies. Students, you can sometimes see solar panels on houses and on street lights in our cities. Wind power using wind. The coastal areas of Sindh and Balochistan and the desert areas of Sindh and Punjab are very windy and would be perfect for wind turbines. Hydro using water. Northern Pakistan has many water sources. Hydroelectricity could be developed more in this region. Biomass and biogas using plant and animal wastes. Biomass is renewable organic material that comes from plants and animals. It is a modern name for the ancient technology of burning plants or animal material for energy production. Biogas. Biogas is a mixture of gases produced by the breakdown of organic matter. It is used as a fuel for heating purpose. Plants and animal dung can be used to create a clean gas which can be used for cooking and heating. Here I am going to explain the process of biogas. This is an outline of biogas power generation and heat supply system. The process starts from the cow house or from a farmhouse. Very important and main things in this process are the excrement of livestock and raw garbage of food processing company. These are collected in a big tank where these organic wastes are decomposed by methane germ and produced methane biogas. This process is called methane fermentation. The biogas engine the biogas turns gas engine that produced heat and electricity. But there is a problem. It costs a lot of money to develop new ways of creating electricity and it takes time too. As in other countries, the Pakistan government is trying to solve this problem. My dear students, on page 47, there is a map of Pakistan that shows the flooded areas during the 2000 floods in Pakistan. Students, do you know that in August 2010, more than half of the normal monsoon rain fell in only 1 week? Usually, this rainfall is spread over 3 months. The heavy rains caused the Indus River to burst its banks. The floods began in the northwest, but they soon spread all the way down to Sindh province. One fifth of Pakistan was underwater and over 2,000 people died. The floods affected the lives of 20 million people. The floods destroyed their homes and their farms. Three colors are showing flooded areas in the map. Three colors are showing flooded areas in the map. Light color shows the moderately affected areas. Dark color shows severely affected areas and dark blue color shows the flooded areas. Students, you can see this light color, this light blue color shows the moderately affected districts in the country, and this dark blue color shows the severely affected areas, that is in large number. And very dark color shows all the flooded areas. Mostly areas were affected moderately. And students, you can see Khyber Pakhtunkhwa was the province that was worst affected, and Islamabad, the capital city, was affected moderately. Students, do you know in some developed countries, flood-proof houses are built to protect people from floods? Okay, students, it's time to ask plenary questions. I'm going to ask the questions from you. Question number one is, what are renewable energy resources? Question 2 is, which one of energy sources in Pakistan already using the most? Question 3, where is Pakistan could this form of energy be developed? At the end of the lesson, I hope that you must know the answers of the questions. Okay, students, this is about the plenary. I hope you would be able to answer of these questions orally. Okay, my dear students, for more information about the topic, you can follow this YouTube link. With this is the end of today's lesson. Take very good care of yourself and people around you. Have a very good day and Allah Hafiz.